Hi friends, let me show you this new 5-step ladder that I received for reviewing purposes. As you can see, we have to do a small installation of some accessories. You get the user manual and all the accessories that you need, okay? So we are going to start. Easy installation, just a few nuts and bolts, and you have a really stable ladder. Look at these anti-slip handrails, and every step is also anti-slip, okay? You even have this handle here, so you can work in high heights, and it is very stable. You could have some of your tools here in this shelf. Take a look. It has holes like for screwdrivers. Here you can put some screws, another kind of tools, your machine drill, everything that you need, so you have it really handy here, okay? Available. So that's it. Nice ladder for your office, for your home, for your tool room, whatever you want to use it, and you can store it really easy, just like that. Perfect.